Destiny Credit Card Honest Review. So, the first thing that you want to do is know that the Destiny Credit Card is designed for people with poor or limited credit history. Over here, it doesn't require a security deposit, which makes the application process straightforward. After that, the card reports to all three major credit bureaus, helping you build credit through responsible usage. Then, there are some important drawbacks to note. Over here, the card has a high cost in the first year. There's an annual fee of up to $175. After that, starting in the second year, there's a $49 annual fee along with a monthly fee of up to $12.50. Then the APRA is 35.9%, which is very high and makes carrying a balance expensive. Over here, the card also doesn't offer any rewards, cashback, or sign up bonuses. After that, there are no balance transfer options and the credit limit is low, so you need to manage spending carefully. Let's break it down with a quick pros and cons summary. Pros: no security deposit required, easier access for those with limited funds. Reports to all three major credit bureaus helps build or rebuild credit. Easy application process, good for people with poor credit. Cons: high first year annual fee up to $175 plus monthly fees starting in year 2. Extremely high APRA of 35.9% carrying a balance is costly. No rewards, cashback, or sign up bonuses, limited value. No balance transfer options. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.